A few days ago, I found an AI tool that completely changed how I create digital products. It's called Nano Banana, and it lets you produce beautiful, ready-to-sell PDFs in minutes without any filming, shipping, or packaging. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the exact process I use so you can create your first digital product today, even if you've never designed anything before. Let's start with what Nano Banana actually does. Think of it as a creative engine that can generate illustrated pages and matching text from a simple idea. Instead of spending hours sketching, formatting, or hiring a designer, you give the tool a clear prompt and it returns cohesive pages that look like a professional team produced them. You can guide the art style, the tone of the writing, the number of pages, and even the layout direction, which means you stay in control while the AI does the heavy lifting. Here's the flow I follow. First, I choose a concept that has obvious demand. Children's storybooks and activity books work brilliantly because parents and teachers are always on the lookout for fun, printable resources. Pick something specific to start with so the tool can focus. For example, a gentle 10-page story about a panda who learns to paint with watercolors, friendly tone, bright illustrations, one short paragraph of text beneath each image. Specific prompts produce consistent results. Next, I head into Nano Banana and enter my prompt. I keep it short, structured, and visual. Who the character is, what's happening, where it's set, and the mood. I also mention any style notes like soft pastel colors or clean, simple shapes for young readers. Within seconds, Nano Banana generates the first set of pages. I quickly scan for continuity. Does the character look similar from page to page? Does the color palette match? And does the text feel age-appropriate? If anything looks off, I refine the prompt slightly and regenerate a page or two. Small tweaks here save time later. Once I'm happy with the pages, I download them and move to Canva. Canva is where everything comes together. I start a new design using a template size that prints well and looks great on screens. Square or A4 both work. I place each image on its own page, then add the story text beneath in a clean, legible font. I like using a bold title page, a simple dedication page, and a final page with thanks for reading and a small call to action, such as explore more printable books in our shop. Canva makes alignment easy, so I use guides to keep margins tidy and pages consistent. Before exporting, I do a quick quality pass. I check spelling and grammar, ensure text is high contrast against the background, and confirm that no important details are too close to the edges. I also add a subtle footer with the book title and my shop name so the file looks branded if pages are printed individually. When everything looks clean, I export as a high-quality PDF and give the file a clear name, something like Panda Painting Storybook Print Ready.pdf. With the product created, it's time to list it online. You can use Etsy for instant digital downloads and Amazon KDP for print-on-demand paperbacks or ebooks. For a fast start, Etsy is simple and effective. This is where ChatGPT helps again. I ask ChatGPT to suggest an SEO-friendly title, a short benefit-driven description, and a set of tags based on keywords parents and teachers might search for. I paste those into my listing, upload a few preview images, including a mock-up cover and 2 or 3 inside pages, and set a price that reflects the value and the niche. Thumbnails matter more than most people think. In Canva, I design a cover image that stands out in a grid, clear title, big character artwork, and a bright background. If you can show a quick peek of 2 small interior pages on the cover, do it. Buyers love to see what they're getting. Keep the design uncluttered and readable on a mobile screen. Now let's talk ideas because the fastest way to build momentum is to create a small collection. Start with one storybook, then add a coloring version using the same characters in simple line art. Follow that with a numbers or letters practice pack, a matching game, or a spot the difference worksheet. You can also explore themes that are perennially popular: dinosaurs, farm animals, space adventures, under the sea, seasons and holidays, bedtime routines, mindfulness for kids. The more tightly focused each product is, the easier it is for the right buyer to find it. Quality control is non-negotiable. Even when the AI does a great job, always read every page, fix small inconsistencies, and make sure the tone is appropriate for the age group. If you're producing activity pages, try a quick print test at home to ensure lines are dark enough and margins are sensible. A polished file leads to better reviews, and reviews drive the marketplace algorithms. When your first product goes live, don't wait for perfection before moving on. Create a simple routine, 1 new product per week for a month, then review your shop stats to see which titles attract the most favorites and views. Use that data to plan the next batch. If your panda book gets the most saves, make a second adventure with the same character. If your ocean-themed coloring pages get attention, offer a larger bundle with bonus activity sheets and a matching poster. Promotion can stay light and sustainable. Share a quick reel showing the book being flipped through, or a short screen recording of you dropping pages into Canva. Add a link in your bio and keep it simple. If you already have a YouTube channel or TikTok, post a short teaser. I asked an AI to illustrate a children's story, here's how it turned out, and point viewers to your shop. Consistency beats complexity here. A little awareness every week compounds over time. If you prefer print, Amazon KDP lets you upload your PDF and sell a paperback without holding inventory. Use KDP's guidelines for bleed and margins, add a spine title if your page count allows, and upload a cover in the exact size they provide. It's straightforward and opens a new audience. Finally, remember, Nano Banana isn't just a novelty. Used intentionally, it's a real way to turn ideas into polished digital products from your laptop. Start small, focus on quality, and keep going. Your first product gets you moving, your second and third start building a library, and that steady rhythm is what creates momentum. If you found this helpful, subscribe for more AI tutorials, drop a like so others find it, and check the playlist for more ways to create and automate digital products. I'll see you in the next one.